We're in Durham, North Carolina. We're about to make a left turn here on Gregson to something pretty famous.
Oh, this is perfect.
Truck's over 12 foot 4 inches. You better make a right turn or you're gonna get taken out by this bridge here. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler and we're ready to travel. Well, I'm at the corner of West Peabody and South Gregson Street, and this building right here is the Leggett and Myers Tobacco Company Watts Warehouse back in 1904. Now it's office buildings. But something interesting about this area right here, if you look right there, there's a camera. And you're probably gonna ask, why is that camera on the side of the building? It's because of this right here. This is the famous can opener bridge, where if you've been on YouTube, there's thousands of videos of trucks and buses crashing into this thing. It used to be, I think it was 11 foot 8 inches, but now it's 12 foot 4 inches. And I'll get a little closer because I'll show you where they raised the bridge up. But like I said, I'll leave a link at the bottom and go by and check out the can opener here. You can see a lot of dents and scratch marks up there, but if you look right under the bridge, those steel plates, that's where they raised it up 8 more inches. Well, I know this was a short video, but I just wanted to come down here and see this in Durham, North Carolina. But the thing is, right there, there's signs and even up the road, flashing lights and everything to tell trucks that you didn't make a turn because you're too high, but it doesn't happen and they run into the bridge. So check out those YouTube videos, pretty cool. And on that note, Traveler out.